तर ह्यो आयज दुसरो दीस म्हणटाले आनी आतां पयलां आमी की इतले आमी प्रेशर हाडून आतां एटलिस्ट तरी आमकां मातशें आमच्या गांवांत शांती मेळल्या आतां एटलिस्ट मातशी आमकां बट आमी आतां खबर ना आमी जेन्ना घरा वयतली की पार्ट्यो परत चालू जातले की ना ते आतां धा जावन ऑलमोस्ट 15 मिनटां जाली फोग मारता कोण खंयच्या क्लबांतलो आतां आमकां समजना ते ह्यो फोगा लागूनच आवाज पळय कितलो जाता तो
आणि हो लोक आता इतलो येता तो कित्याक लागून येता तांकां पार्ट्यो ना कितेंच ना जाल्यार हे लोक येता तो कित्याक ही ट्रॅफिक कित्याक येता इतलो लोक खंय येता हो जस्ट रेस्टॉरंटान जेवपाक.
That exactly is the problem when there's this question of noise pollution. It isn't only the noise and the music that's going on, but it's all this traffic that comes through and all the people who are wandering around who had too much to drink. All of this affects the environment here. So everybody must think that although the music is off right now, just look at the state of the traffic. There's hardly a possibility of traffic to be moving smoothly here. And all of this is also part of this noise pollution.
But can you tell us that yet tourists you oppose करता तुम्ही के sound pollution and oppose?
Yeah, just against the sound, not against the music.
Sound.
The decibel should be there, no? 45 decibels after 10 p.m. and 55 to 34 for
Tourists.
We are not against. Tomorrow we also get the tourists other place. They don't harass us like this.
आता जेन्ना तुम्ही हो प्रोटेस्ट काढलो पळय पुलीस स्टेशना मेरेन सो आता सिच्युएशन कशें हांगा सर?
Look at the situation. It's jammed over here. Okay, we have an ER, an emergency on this side of the road. Do you think an ambulance or that person will survive? Isn't the government thinking all this? Look at all the people coming over here. We've left everything at home. You think we are free? Yeah, Mrs. Delena Lobo came to the police station on the 14th, telling she's going to have a meeting with the government regarding a club policy. She's so into it. Yeah, why do we need? For whom are you supporting?
We don't want any clubs. We don't want any clubs.
And we don't want the club owners to be benefited. And again, this damn thing is going to fall on our heads. Everybody's heads.
These clubs are only for the politician to have their clubs and play party.
Yeah, if she wants to have.
She has not taken any consent from us. कि हमका clubs है उन्हें नाका हमका clubs नाका. We are tired. We don't want anything this kind of thing.
We don't want anything. And if she wants, she's so interested in helping the people. She said, it is my women who is coming out and I will go to them to the High Court. Sorry, we don't want to go to the High Court. Y'all can take care. Y'all are the ruling party. Y'all can put all this to a full stop immediately. Can't you all do that? Y'all can go, if you really want to take a meeting, have a meeting with the CM, with all your members. Ask them why the panchayat isn't playing their role. Why aren't they revoking license? Why are some clubs still playing on generators? Ask why the police are not helping us. We are so helpless at the police station. The PI is not there. We have to wait for everybody.
मॅडम काल तुमचा स्थानिक पंच मेंबर आसलो आयज ना?
No, today he is not there. He came yesterday. Today he is not there. So this is what happens. You know, I don't know why he is not come, but otherwise usually he comes with us. Yeah, but it's not only him. We want even our MLA. Yesterday we had the MP from the south who had so much of concern for us. He came over here along with Mr. Patkar. Why not the CM? Why not our MLA? Why not our MP from here? Can't they see that we are suffering? Do they really want to kill us? If they cannot do anything, I think they need to tell us. They need to tell us that, Baba, we cannot do anything about this.
The strange thing is that if we talk about this being a residential area, one of the responses that we get from them is that maybe we should declare this into a commercial area.
Yeah.
Correct.
So how do you declare our residential area into a commercial area? What's going to happen to all the people who are resident here?
And if I remember very clearly, Mr. Advocate Carlos had said, we cannot commercialize this zone. So it cannot be commercialized. So we are sticking to all that. We love our village. We want our children to grow up in a good ambience. Not looking at all these rubbish. Look at all the cars.
We want some good, decent tourists here. We don't want tourists who are coming to rave parties and do drugs and all these kind of things. Sorry.
Sisters, come. But why you are gathered here in front of this logo?
We actually supposed to come here to show which clubs are open, because they have told us, you know, these clubs will be shut down if they don't have a sound monitoring system. But now they have already got the message that they're coming over here, and you can see the entire thing is already shut down. So
this is only here, but there are some clubs in Anjuna and in Chapora also they are being playing blatantly right now. This is the situation.
Because they know that we are coming here, they shut down it. They open around 1 o'clock. Yesterday it happened that we were here till 12 o'clock on the police station. The clubs were all shut. But after 1 o'clock, all started again. When we went to the police and we told him, we sent him to go and check. He came after 1.5 hours and he's saying it was the sound of the generator. When we showed him the evidence that the music is being played, he's telling no, it is the sound of the generator.
So it will be repeated again?
It will be repeated again. The minute we leave from here, they will all start again. Because this has been happening so many times. This is not the first time.
This is a pure political will. आमच्या सरकारान आमच्या प्रमोद सावंत डॉक्टर प्रमोद सावंतान सिरियसली घेवन चिंतूंक जाय ह्या आमच्या लोकांक की आमकां कितें जाय तें. ही शुड नॉट बी सिम्पली क्लोजिंग हिज आयज एंड इयर्स आनी म्हणूंक जायना की एवरीथिंग इज ओके सब चंगा अशें ना. वी आर रियली सफरींग हियर.
We also know that other people won't be happy if they saw an argument over there. Okay, why do they have to attack any of your all are coming up to people, right? All are the one voicing all the time. There are people put it on the newspaper that that's how the uneducated to the police station up. So no should fight. We just come in a peaceful way to ask for our rights. That's all. If you all don't play loud music, you won't come here. Maintain the music not only here but in all the other places. Kalangut, Sholim, then what other
Your
places?
future course of action. आता तुम्ही किती करता?
We will definitely decide, but we're not going to give up. Okay?
So these protests will be continued?
Let's see. I have to speak with the others. I cannot say it.
But I तुम्ही yesterday it was till after 1 o'clock the music had been played.
Yesterday, yes, restarted.
Now till 1 o'clock will be here or?
Let's see. We'll
Naslo
do
Nika.
our own thing, whatever we can. But the thing is, what the music starts again very late, at 2 a.m., 1 a.m., 3 a.m. And just imagine us as women going around to take all these things. You know, it's insane. I don't know what the government is doing in Goa. It's really sad.
We have to thank the media for this. Staying with us.
Yes, big thank to all of you.
Because your time. It's not a time to stay. Time to sleep.
Cannot go out otherwise.
Yeah, it's because of your support we are.
The DYSP has reached the police station. Okay, we are going to call him now because see, there are a lot of elderly people, there are a lot of children, and as you all can see, there are fireworks happening. We and the press is also very helpful. They have gone with us to the police station. They are moving with us here. In fact, this is Vamos that was then changed to Echoes, and then now it is changed to some new name. Can we just give space? These are boards. Just let them take up. Sorry. These are boards and these are the DJs that probably don't even have license to play over here. This, you all told them about the lights being on.
Yeah, these are when we came.
The lights were on at the venue. The ticketing counters, when all of us gathered here, the lights went off. And while we were gathering here, we just want to put this on camera. We were just some of our residents, some of the people who belong to this Komidat just wanted to park their vehicles in front of Raid. By mistake, I don't know, there was some altercation. The media was also harmed. Okay, the media was, somebody raised their voices. It was a very bad scenario. This is only because they wanted to park their vehicles there. And the organizers of Raid are saying that we are targeting them. We want to make one thing clear, we are not targeting anyone. We are only here to stop the music. We are not come here to fight a personal fight with anyone. Stop the music, we are happy. This kind of environment every day throughout the year we would like. So now we are going to call the DSP and we will tell him, because he had told us he will come at 9 o'clock. It is now 10:18. So it's good we came over here. We will tell him what our problem is and let us see what resolution he will give us. हॅलो आम्ही सगळे हिंगा नोबोवाच्या सांगतायत हा आता DYSP थिंगा हा DYSPचे नंबर मेळटले DYSPचे नंबर फोन नंबर एक मिनिट सर. They will shut it, and this is why noise monitoring systems are very important, as told by the Supreme Court, because we will know at what time what sound was being played.
So as alternative noise pollution machine, nothing.
We have not seen any JSPCB person. We have not seen any PI. Today nobody stopped us.
Even this late night parties, they are resulting into drug consumption because of this noise and this kind of behavior. It results into drug rackets over here. So Goa is turning into a drug den now, and we have to take care of our our culture or our children's.
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Yeah, let's start walking towards the police station.
आता वचना पळय एक्झॅक्टली जर परमिशन आसा जाल्यार कित्याक करतात
तो प्रेस मातशें भितर घाल सर मातशें फाटल्यान घाल वय वय अरे इधर
कैंसिल कर
Anyone who has this like this can we have to call him here. See, I think so. There is some this that states that the PI has to always be there in the police station, or who is the acting PI. You know, there was an acting. Yeah, this is not a problem, and we want a resolution today. Just because just one thing I want to ask is, when Asagaon, there was one resident who had a problem. The chief minister came, but how many of us are gathered here? The CM is not, I mean, he doesn't even want to come support us. Please, Chief Minister, please come support us. We are not against anything, we just want the sound to go down. We just want help.
No, just we can call here.
Yes, we will call here.
We can call here with the speaker.
Yeah. We have already placed calls to 112 regarding Hilltop at 6 o'clock. What time? 6. No action is taken. Yes, we can call now also, but it's useless.
It's ringing. PI फोन केला, PI ना आपल्या स्टेशनाचेर, तेका आमी आतां स्पीकरार घातला.
Who is the acting? कौन authority कौन? PSI कौन authority?
PSI कोण? PI ना जाल्यार फाटल्यान. सगळे भायर सरले. स्टेशन इंचार्ज कोण? स्टेशन इंचार्ज. अरे फोन करपाक गेला, कितें करपाक गेले? म्युझिक येता मरे थोडा आयकून.
तुमका आहे ना आवाज?
without any name?
Yeah, they don't want to take responsibility.
फोन उठली ना तो रिंग जाता
Yeah, then all thing आयला. So we will stand here only. Let it be live. This is live, correct? Okay. Let it be known that in Goa, if so many people have a problem, they come.
PI is absconding.
The PI doesn't want to attend to us.
Yeah,
And
PSI is not there.
And please understand that this is what happens every night, even without the media, even without the press. There is no one to, there is, even the courts assume that the police will do something.
हॅलो PI राजन घाटे हांगा भितर जमलेले कॅन्डल कॅन्डलाक आमी जमले तुमकां मेळपाक तुमी सांगलेले 7 सुमार डेली आसतले म्हणून
Sir, परत यो.
Sir, please come.
Sir, परत यो. We want you. We want you here.
सगळे जाण म्हणटात तूं येवंक जाय हांगा व्हडली म्युझिक वाजता हांगा आनी तुज्या पुलिसांक आयकूंक येना
आम्ही हांगा 200 लोक उबे आसा तू येजो हांगा.
हॅलो कितें म्हणटा DYSP सांगता मागीर आतां कोण तुमी येना तर बरं आमी हांगाच बसता म्हणून सांगता आमी हांगाच बसता हांगा ओके DYSP सांगता पळय तो आनी DYSP येता म्हणटा
We had told them without calling the monitor.
Yes, don't.
Don't start the music.
Come.
You can sit.
Yeah. We get here only. What else? If this is what is going to happen, and we're very grateful to everyone who has decided to join us here today, because we don't want this to happen every single day. We cannot get up at night. Today, many of us have slept, I think so, at 7 o'clock in the morning. We knew that after this media was there here, after they make their statements, they will go absconding. And our respected MLA came in the morning, but when the issue is happening, she is not here. No one is there to support us when the actual problem is going on. And I don't know, what are we supposed to do? Whom do we ask? Even the courts, we understand that they will give out their judgment. We are hoping that the courts will give out a judgment on the contempt petition to see why the police is not taking action, or why responsible authorities like GSPCB is not taking action, and who does the responsibility lie with. But till that time, what do we do?
Till that time, I think we have to suffer.
Yeah, we have to suffer. I think.
More lives to be suffered and more into the area gone. Yes,
PI कॉल केलो न्हू PI कितें
So when
PI कॉल केल्लो PI म्हणटा आपूण मातसो कामान बिजी आसा DYSPक सांगता म्हणटा आपल्याक येवपाक मातसो लेट जातलो आमी ताका विचारले की तूं 7 सुमार हांगा आसतलो म्हणून सांगलेले काल सांगलेले आमकां ओके पण तो आयज ना
काल तेणें एश्युरन्स दिलेले आपूण 7 o'clock हिंगा आसतलो ना आपूण तो एश्युरन्सा सगळी म्युजीक आपूण कंट्रोल करतलो पूण आयज ना कित्याक तो
तेच सांगले तुमकां न्ही खावपाचे दात वेगळे आनी दाखोवपाचे दात वेगळे
येदे व्हडले अख्ख्या शिवोलीन वागातर वज्रांची लायन आसा पळय ती सगळी म्युजीक आनी हॉटेलांची आनी लाखांनी उलाढाल जाता हांगा लाखांनी उलाढाल जाता तेचे 2 किलोमिटराचेर पुलीस स्टेशन आसा आनी पुलीस स्टेशनाचेर एकूय कोण हेड कोणूच ना म्हणजे ही फकाणाची गोश्ट न्हू म्हणजे तुमी हांगा पळय जे वाजोवपाक दिता तेची जबाबदारी कोणार सांडून वयता आनी आमी कोणाच्या विश्वासाचेर हांगा न्हिदपाची आयचे राती काडपाचे जे आमी कोणाच्या विश्वासाचेर फाल्यां जर थंय कितें जालें म्युजीक चलता तर आमी कंप्लेंट करपाक हांगा कोणा कडेन येतली आनी कोण आमकां पळयतलो म्हाका सांगा जेन्ना हेड ना जाल्यार तेच्या सकयल हँडल करणारो दुसरो कोण तरी आसपाक जावो काय ना तोय ना म्हणजे येदे व्हडले पुलीस स्टेशन हें हांगा आसा आतां जर आमी कंप्लेंट घेवन येयली हॉटेलाची नाल्यार कित्याची जाल्यार ते हांगा कोणूच ना अशें जावंक शकता
खरं म्हटल्यार होम डिपार्टमेंट जे आसा तो चलोवपाची क्षमता CM प्रमोद सावंता कडेन ना हांव सांगता डिमांड करता की प्रमोद सावंतान म्हणटा ते रिजायन घरा वचपाचो कारण होम डिपार्टमेंट ताका कळना काय कितें फाल्यां खंयच्या आमच्या बायलेचेर कोणाचेर रेप जालो खंयच्या रेप जालो कोण हाका जबाबदार आसतलो आतां पळय कोणूच ना तो आमकां DYSPक सांगता DYSP येतलो हांगा DYSP ड्युटी दिल्या दी ताका हॉलदार करून पोचय हांगा कॉन्स्टेबल करून DYSP एक फोकाणा करता की आमची अंजुनकरांची.
It is very clear that the police also is involved in such.
तुम्ही सगळे हप्ते
म्युझिक हिंगा आयकोंक येता
Very clear that there is some kind of
म्युझिक आयकोंक येता
which is happening.
आम्ही थिंगा वचून
And this kind of music and this kind of night events have been
केन्ना
supported
म्युझिक आयकोंक येना.
by them. By 10 o'clock they should close. They should close all, follow the law as per the Pollution Act.
Okay.
That has not been done. That has
So,
not been done.
आता जसं तुम्ही म्हटलं पळय तोच शब्द वापरता आफ्टर 10 o'clock बंद करूंक जाय म्हटलं म्युझिक. पण युअर डिमांड इज नाव आता 9:15 जाल्या आताच बंद करूंक जाय म्युझिक.
म्युझिक बंद कर हो विषय ना. म्हाका एकट्यान फोन करून विचारलो की तुमचे पोट कशे चलतले, तुमकां टुरिझम नाका. बाबा लिमीट आहा त्या म्युझिकाचे. ते म्युझिक 2 किलोमिटरचेर आयकूं येता जाल्यार त्या घरांची कितें परिस्थिती आसतले हे दाखयता हांव तुमकां. म्युझिक बंद कर म्हणिना. हेच्या पयलीं पार्ट्या जोरान आसले तर हेच्या पयलीं हे नासली हॉटेलां आसली. लिमीट क्रॉस जाता बाबा. लिमीट क्रॉस जाता. माझी जनता दुखावता, शिवकर रडटा. लागून आमी येयले आनी दाखोवपाचें काम करता हे लोक.
अप टू 10 o'clock पर्यंत सुद्धा एक लिमिट आसपाक जाय. अप टू 10 o'clock सुद्धा लिमिट आसपाक जाय. सांग सांग आसा बरो आसा. लोक या मरे हांगा लोक तळमळटा. आतां ते सावंड वाज येदो व्हडलो सावंड येता तर मातसो पुलीस स्टेशन कोणाकूच आवाजूच येना. खंय आहा तुजें हें खंय मॉनिटर खंय आहा तुजो मॉनिटर ना. काल तुमी एश्युअर केलें की मॉनिटर लागल्या शिवाय आमी बंद करपाचें म्हणून. कारण आमच्या प्रेसिडेंट आमच्या काँग्रेसचो प्रेसिडेंट आनी विर्याटन सांगला तुमकां जो पर्यंत ते स्टेशन जायना तो पर्यंत बंद करा म्हणून क्लब सगळे. ना राजकारण करना. हांव लोक आसा हांगा. हांव तशें तर राजकारण खंय रे हे लोकांचे न्हय हालत ही सगळी.
काल सांगला मरे
हांव राजकारण करता की हांवें काय राजकारण करूं ना. हो प्रश्न जो आसा हो पोल्युशनाचो सावंड पोल्युशनाचो प्रश्न जावन आसा. आनी काल विर्याटो बाब आनी आमचो अमित पाटकर हांच्यांनी सांगलेलें की तुमी जो पर्यंत ते मॉनिटर स्टेशन करिना तो पर्यंत खरें म्हटल्यार सगळे क्लब बंद करपाचे. पण आतां जवळपास नसता 1 ते 1.5 किलोमिटराचेर म्युझिक येता, आवाज येता व्हडलो येता की सगळ्या पुलिसांक येता. हे पुलीस म्हणटात ते डम न्ही. हेंकां आयकूंक येनाशें ना. आयकूंक येता तरी सुद्दां हे डम जाल्ले आसा. आनी हे सांगता की आमी राजकारण करपाक येवंक ना अजिबात हांगा. आमी राजकारण करतले जाल्यार आमकां आसा. कारण राजकारण केलें तें दिलेल्या लोबोन गरम व्यक्तीने वचून त्या सीएमाच्या दारान बसपाची गरज जावन आसा. ती गेल्ली डेव्हलपमेंटा करपाक काम करपा खातीर. खंय आहा ती? आतां कित्याक हे लोकांक हे करता? वोट मारपाक हे लोक जाय? वोट मारपाक लोक जाय ना? ते फक्त आपापलो हप्तो सोडपाक आनी काय A to Z एक हप्तो आसा. आणि इतलेच तुम्हाला सांगता हे हप्ते बंद करा. ड्रग्स वाले सगळे अख्ख्या पिढीक कामार करून उडयतले. कोण जबाबदार आहे का? आज कोण नाही का? आज एका म्हणजे या पोलीस स्टेशनाचे वालेच ना.
अप टू 10 o'clock आता कितलो जाला टायम? 9 जाला. एक्चुअली कशें आसा 10 o'clock नंतर लिमीट 10 o'clock पयलीं लोकांक हॉटेल जे आसा पळय तांकां हें आसता. बट 10 o'clock पर्यंत सुद्दां एक डेसिमल गोवा पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान एक्टा प्रमाणे तांकां एक सर्टन लिमीट आसता. ताज्या भायर तांकां वचपाक मेळना. कित्याक आमच्या हांगा शिवोलेन खुबशे अंजुना वागातोर जाणटे लोक आसा, भुरगे आसा. काल तिणें सांगिल्लें आपलो चलो आसा ताका ऑटिझमचो ऑटिझम आसा ताका भुरग्याक. त्या भुरग्याक कितें जातलें हे परिस्थिती हेंच्यांनी पुलिसांनी आनी गव्हर्मेंटान अंडरस्टँड करपाक जाय. आतां आमी काल गेल्ले तेन्ना म्हाका सुद्दां थंय सारकें कलकलून जावपाक लागलें. अशी थंय परिस्थिती आसा थंय गेल्यार. हांगा सुद्दां आयकूंक येता. आमी हांगा सगळे लोक जमला ताकाच लागून न्हू. कितें तरी करपाक जाय. 2-2 दीस 3-3 दीस जाणटे लोक हांगा कशे येतले पुलीस स्टेशनार?
Yes, sir. Now there's a timing for everything. No? The music right at 12 o'clock start zala. School has like 100 meters from hilltop. I started at 12 o'clock. There must be a time limit. So like time limit असता. हे कितें जाल्ला? Blasting music घालता तो भायर आमी लूक करता. Something has to be some time limit should be. That is at 4 o'clock we started. Okay.
Already
school is offering that.
Notification हा की within 100 meters जे radius हा should be silent zone. The school आसा सेम 100 meters police station आहा. फाटी ऑलमोस्ट लायक टू लास्ट सिजन जेन्ना हांव येयलोलो तुका सांग हिंगा विंडोज व्हायब्रेट जाताली. जी हिलटॉपाची म्युझिकची आयकोंक येताली. विंडोज व्हायब्रेट जाताली पुलीस स्टेशनाची. बट पुलीस स्टेशनान म्हणटा ती आमकां आयकोंक येना. तुमी जाय तें करा म्हणटा. हांव आनी एकटो मनीस येयलो कंप्लेन दिवपाक आनी दुसरी जाग्यार म्युजीक चलतालें बट हें सिट्युएशन जालां आमच्या अंजुनान.
We have a student over here. Let her tell you her experiences. This is something our entire, all the adults, all the ones making policies and rules should know, that how students at the grassroots levels, how are they being affected? Is the education being affected? So
she's in the 12th standard and she's in the finally a BA.
Let us start.
I just can't concentrate because of the loud music. Even when I was in the 10th standard, it was the music used to start at 11 o'clock. It was to continue till I don't know when. Even I used to sleep at I think so at 2 o'clock. Even till 2 o'clock music was to be playing. Like so loud music. I couldn't concentrate. And the music starts sometimes at 12 o'clock during the day. It's just so disturbing. I can't sleep. Early in the morning I have to wake up to school. I can't concentrate because I haven't got proper sleep. So how can I do my best in my education? This is impacting my future. What about us? We students have to suffer because of this music. This isn't giving us anything. This is not going to help us. I know it gives people livelihood, but at what cost? At the cost of our lives, at the cost of our future? What's the point of all this?
Okay. Okay. So, as a student, what do you want to say for the Goa government of CM?
They should reduce the noises. They should keep a control. They should keep a time limit. This is not accepted. You all can play music, but it should be a limit, right? Everything has a limit. Everything has a boundary. Enjoy, but have a control over it. Start the music at a time when no one will be affected. What is 12 o'clock during the day? Who parties at that time? What's the point of partying from day till night? What's the point of raving all day? The whole year you're just raving. What's the point? This is doing nothing. It's just damaging your own lifestyle. Your own life is getting damaged. And it's not only impacting them, it's impacting us. We are suffering on the long run. They are not going to suffer.
एक टाइम सरकार म्हणता न्हू की शिक्षण इम्पॉर्टंट हा एड्युकेशन इज व्हेरी इम्पॉर्टंट फॉर द स्टुडंट्स एंड ऑल. सो
They should think
he says that he should follow. No, he's the education minister. He's the chief minister. What's the use of him being the education minister, chief minister, and nothing he follows?
He should think about
What's your name?
बेटी पढ़ाओ,
What's your
बेटी
name?
बचाओ.
Okay. So just to add up to this is, these are questions, these are valid questions that our MLA is supposed to ask. Okay, our representatives are supposed to ask, but our MLA is, when she comes here, the assurances she gives us is put the headphones and I will go to court with y'all. But we don't want someone, if it's a very simple thing, if someone is not ready to come with us to the police station, do you all think she's going to come with us to the court?
No.
I don't see anyone taking such a long step when they can't take such a small step. So come, please support us. We are inviting you here now also. We are live. Please come. Please help us, or please, if you can do something about the noise, because I can still hear the music. It is still going on. There are still cars going in and out. So yeah, that's good.
I'm Exit D'Souza. So I'm Wच्या भरपूर कंप्लेनी केल्ल्यो हेजे पयलीं. सो आनी तेंची आमकां हेल्पलायन नंबर 112. हेज्या पयलीं आमी भरपूर फोन मारले, आमकां नो एक्शन नथींग. म्हाका दिसता सगळें सेटींग केल्लें आसा आनी आमी डिलरा लोक हांव तुका सांगूंक सोदतां, तुका आमच्या देवाक खाल्लय तुवें, देवीक खाल्लें, सगळ्यांक खाल्लय, पूण आमकां तुजेर विस्वास ना. काल तूं येयले तुजे पोळी भाजून गेल्ले, पूण आमच्या लोकांच्या बाराबर कोणूच दिश्टी पडना हांगा. खंयचो MLA दिश्टी पडोंक ना. कित्याक आमी तुका निवडून हाडला तुजी पोस्ट भरपाक ना, आमच्या बरोबर रावपाक. थँक्यू.
Very good, very good.
I'm Julian Fernandez. हांवें एक वागातर सिटीजन वेलफेअर कमिटी म्हणून केल्या न्यू. ती आमच्या वागातरा पासून हांव वावरूंक हें करा. आनी फाटीं एक मिटींग जाली जेन्ना जिलायला लोबो येयले आनी आमचो वॉर्ड मेंबर दिनेश पाटील आसलेलो. तेणें तेन्ना म्युझिकीक लागून आमी जी मिटींग केली आनी ताका सांगलें आमचो प्रॉब्लम हे भशेन आहा, आमकां खूब त्रास जाता, ते बंद करपाक तूं कितें तरी उपाय कर. म्हणून तेणेन दिलायल्या लोकांन सांगलें कितें तांकां दिनेश पाटीलाक सांगलें मेंबराक तूं तांकां हेडफोन यूज करूंक लाय, नाजाल्यार ते इंडोर म्युजीक तशें टिटो रेस्टॉरंट कालांगूट आहा पळय तितूर तशें करता ते हांगासरूय तो सिस्टम करत, नाजाल्यार तेंचे लायसन आहा ते कॅन्सल करून उडय म्हणून. तेंचे रेस्टॉरंटांक म्युजीक वाजयतात ते बंद कर म्हणून, लायसन दिना काय म्हणून तांकां. सो हांवें तें एप्लिकेशन पंचायतीन बरोवन दिलें 11 तारखेर आनी आतां परतून हांवें बरयलां तें हांव तांकां पंचायतीन दितलो आनी सांगतलो. आमी सदमत आहा की आमची पंचायत जी आहा ती आमच्या वाड्याक आसा आमच्या लोकांचे बरें करपा खातीर आनी न्हय की वायट करपा खातीर. सो हांव आमच्या पंचायतीक सरपंचाक आनी आमच्या गोवोरमेंटाची हांव मागणी करता की आमच्या लोकांचे हे जे दूख त्रास पळय आहा ते सॉल्व करपाक जाता तितले बेगीन उपाय करतो.
It is so strange that being in the pop station we can hear this music played so loud. That means they are not taking any kind of an action. And where we stay, there is this place called Jimmy's Villa. It's such a nuisance for us. We have time and again come and made complaints here. This is our neighbor Cyrilla. We've so many times being ladies. We have come in the night over here, we have come in the day over here, but there is no action being taken place. And to say Goa has many elderly people all around. In fact, most of the houses have aged people. But still, we've told the cops all these things, but they have not taken any action. And it's very, very a sad state of Goa.
गायत्री फारा पुलीस स्टेशनार आयल्या आनी 14 तारखेरूय आयिल्ली इंडिपेंडन्साच्या पयले आनी PIन म्हाका इन्शुरन्स दिल्ले की म्युजीक आसची ना म्हणून, लावडूय आसची ना आनी अंडर डेसिमल्स आसतली. पूण आतां आमकां हांगासर रावले म्हणटून कितली म्युजीक आयकूं येता. आमकां ट्युरिजम जाय, आमकां ट्युरिस्ट जाय. आमी म्हणना ट्युरिस्ट नाका, पूण आमकां ट्युरिस्ट जाय, पूण हॉले ट्युरिस्ट नाका. वी वॉन्ट नायस एंड सस्टेनेबल ट्युरिजम. Not like coming and enjoying, making parties, disturbing our children, not allowing them to concentrate on studies. So we want good tourism like how we had before in the 60s, 70s, 80s, 90s. Not like this.
It was a peaceful land.
Yes.
Just to add to what she said, isn't it strange that we keep on talking about traditions and we keep on talking about our Indianness, we keep on talking about our culture, but we allow an occasion like Independence Day to be used to hold parties. So what's happened to all this talk about Sanskriti and all of that? You forget about it immediately as soon as your pockets are lined. Things have changed a lot in Goa since the years past. I remember that all of us used to live by the season. There used to be a rainy season and everybody used to get time to rest and recuperate. But now we have tourism the year round and we have parties the year round. At least in the past, when they had an occasional party, we knew that the next day we would have peace. But this is not the situation now. Every day we can be assured that there is going to be no peace. So, I mean, exactly what the lady was saying, what sort of tourism are we promoting? Don't we, all of us, many of us have grown up in a village which was quiet and sacred. We had a lot of peacefulness. We also celebrated and we also had music. You know that the Goan spirit is not against music. We are, as a culture, the Goans are one of the most musical people in our country, culturally. But if all of us are protesting at this time against music, then it is against a particular type of music and the decibel levels that it is being played at, which is a big disturbance to us and our health. Thank you.
Now I stay in Benjamin.
After retiring, you'll be coming, yes, sir, for sure.
Yes, sir. So we are fighting for you in advance. Difference. Sir, see, just to bring it up to speed with today's issue. See, these are continuing issues. Today's issue is, I don't know if PSI Ramesh is there. What happened yesterday after talking to PI Paresh? We had a big meeting. There was press. There was MP also had come. Amit sir also had come. We were given so many assurances. But if you could just call PSI Ramesh and just ask him what he told us to us yesterday. He said, nothing is in my hands, I cannot do anything. You all write a letter and you all go. And this is after waiting for 2.5 hours. For 1 hour, he went to the venue. After 1 hour, he got a noise monitoring device. After 1 hour, that is after 2 hours, he came here, he's telling us that is the sound of the generator. If this is what, and we have video evidence, we showed, and this was 6 women sitting from 2 o'clock to 4:30 in the morning without resolving a female's issues, and you all are giving this kind of resolution. In the end, he said, I cannot do anything. We named 4 places. We named Salud, we named Romeo Lane, and 9 Bar, 3 places. He only went to, and Bahamas also. He only went to Salud. He told them stop, and he came. Romeo Lane was still playing. We came again, sir. We are playing the monitoring this. Without any noise monitoring control, we have to do that. I am going to file a complaint today. Okay, not a complaint. I don't know what it is called. I don't. No. This is for me because this is one thing I want to do for everyone. Sir, we are all scared. Okay, we are all scared of this situation. Today, what happened? I was in front of Ride. The owner, I think, and this is what the owner of Ride. There were some people who just wanted to park their bikes inside the Kamidar land, and you all were stopped. Okay, you all were stopped they were stopped. They are part of the Kamidar, they are stopped by these organizers. I just went to resolve the issue because with the media there was a fight. They even started fighting with the media. It would have gotten a physical altercation. I just went to resolve that. Then these guys started telling me, "Tu shapota sangna kai, tu pisha kona kai, don't try to act smart. Who are you? If you have problem with us, why don't you go and stop Salud?" See, sir, we are come because our sleep is getting disturbed. Such people threatening me. One of them caught my shirt also. One of them came in front of me. I will file a complaint because, see, sir, all of these people are scared because of miscreants like this.
As long as we are there is nothing to get.
But they have so much authority, sir. Even with so many people, we went. Not one police was there to protect us. Nobody was there. I will file. So now, see, so we have come here. You have said, everyone called, you were very clear to tell us that 13 places have come.
Last 10 days, I have booked 4 places. You can find the records of this police station for over the 10 years or whatever years. You won't find anybody, any device booking for this.
Correct.
I have done it last 10 days, I have booked 4 days.
Correct.
And it will continue.
Correct. But
then I can assure you. Whatever illegally we will do, I have booked 4 cases. Today also we will book 1.
Okay. Our request from yesterday, okay, just to get you up to speed with what I require, what we come here to ask of you today is what we had discussed yesterday. Stop everything, okay? Just hear me out. Stop everything till they put the noise monitoring stations in place. Let them not start. Because today, Environment Minister said it is not in his hands, it is on the collector's hands. Now I don't know whom to go to. There was an interview with the Environment Minister and he said that it is not GSPCB. Yesterday, GSPCB was playing ball and this with the police. Who will take control? Now there, GSPCB is playing with the Environment Minister. He is saying it is collectors. Whom do we go to, sir? You tell us. We are come to you for help.
We are always there 24/7.
But sir, the number of venues there.
You won't find any other authority who is available as 24/7.
No, sorry to say, I'm very sorry to say, sir, but yesterday PSI Paresh did not live up to that expectation and all the inspectors. PSI Ramesh. See, he said he is new, he is not aware, we understand.
Yesterday also I booked 1.
Nobody listened to any of us, sir. So that 24/7, I don't think so that is.
The police station is open 24/7.
It is open, but it is not providing any service.
Police station, you know how much work and what.
Of course. It's not only this. You will have other issues. We totally agree. We only want that. See, if we do not bring our issues to you, whom do we go to? See, we do not want to come and irritate you. I have come here so many times. I understand that the police is so helpless. You all get a call from PCR, but what will you all do? The beat cop, you are telling the beat cop is missing. Even so many of the beat cops, sir, so many times have told us. We have been told not to act. You tell me, and they said, please, sangna ka, sir, sangna. What is it?
Whenever these things happen,
One minute. Please wait. Let's
Whenever these things happen, if you file with us completed, so is the print PC.
we have done that. It is all gone in the contempt area. Sir, it is all we are filing, but the problem only is we can speak. Problems are continuing to face. Is it the authority stance that let them face their problems? We will see in our own free time when it is convenient to us and the venues and these people violating the laws of the constitution.
I told you just now that in last 7 days I have booked 4 cases.
The music is still going on.
We will continue.
Yeah, I have a question.
See, we will play there is music. No.
Yes, sir. One minute.
Show me where you can.
Sir, when we went to
Right now there is music. I will book another
see,
case.
our issue is not only with music, it is with noise. We see there is a distinction between music and noise. Our issue is with noise. Bikes on that road also, they are crossing, see 45 decibels is the limit in a residential area, which is a residential area. Bagator is a residential area. You can go up to 5 decibels, up to 50 you can go.
By putting a decibel, you are talking you will cross 70.
Correct, sir. See, these are the rules. These are the rules laid down. Agree, but these are the rules laid down.
I assure you, whatever we have to do, we will do.
Okay, so there's just one final thing.
One at a time. One at a time.
Yeah, okay.
Sir, you said you
One.
the permission.
I have got 14 people.
Can we?
Right now, I don't think my office can come. I'll show you 14 people.
Tell me how safe it is. Like if you make a police complaint, that are you safe?
Yes.
No, you are not safe. Not in this police station. I'll tell you about the incident at
I don't want to argue like this. I don't want to argue like this.
When I made a police complaint, I was sent.
1 minute, please. See, we have come here peacefully. Sir, we do not agree that 13 booking the number of cases you said. I agree.
I didn't say 39, I said 4.
4. Okay. I agree. You are doing a splendid job, sir. Okay, sorry. 4. 4 is a very small number, sir. And we
Last
are
10 days I told you.
sir, every day there are more than 40-50 venues blasting music. 4 is such a minuscule number.
Last 10 years, you take the data of last 10 years, and you take data out of
I know that itself is so much, but then that is not a comparison.
Whatever I said.
तर म्हाका कितें सांगूंक जाय आमचे पयलीं ब्रिटीश गव्हर्मेंट आसलो ब्रिटिशांनी आपणाक जाय ते कायदे केले आतां ब्रिटिशाची आमी इंग्लीश लँग्वेज पळय CAT कॅट आनी KAT कॅट तितून CAT कॅट आनी KAT कॅट आहा सो केचे प्रोनाउन्सिएशन कशें मेळटा ते तेंचे रॉंग आहा आनी डेमोक्रेसी म्हणटा ते हांव तेंचे एक्सेप्ट करिना आनी जित पर्यंत कायदे कानून आहा ते कायदे कानून हांव म्हणटा सगळे व्हेरीफाय जावंक जाय लोकांचे सामकारे लोकांनी ते बांदून घेवंक जाय पयले तुमी कायदे करतात गव्हर्मेंट कायदे बरयता अमके कायदे पूण आमकां ते सांगतात बाबा तुमी अमके कायदे केल्यार अमके अशें आसा आनी तुमकां ते मानून घेतला तुमी आं आमकां विचारला तुमी ते मानून घेतला आतां कोण ते हेल्मेट रूल काडला आमकां आमकां ते विचारला आमच्या भुरग्यांक शिकयला आमच्या भुरग्यांक हांव म्हणटा स्कॉलांनी शिकोवंक जाय हे कायदो अमको कायदो अमके भशेन हो कित्याक असो आसा हो कित्याक तसो आसा आनी दुसरे तरी तर कोणाक तरी ऑब्जेक्शन आसा बाबा हो कायदो असो आसोवंक जायना हो रॉंग जावं तो पुलीस आसूंक जाय तूं कोणूय आसूं आतां हे गव्हर्मेंट आमी करता लोकांक हितून काडटात पळय आसात ते आमचे बरे आसात आं सो तेंच्यांनी जे कायदे करूंक जाय ते आमचे बरे वाचत करूंक जाय आनी रॉंग जातात हे जावंक जायना हय आमचे हांव म्हणटा ते कायदे व्हेरीफाय आमी करूंक जाय आमच्यानी आमी ते मानून घेवंक जाय आमी ते सायन करूंक जाय आतां ते हे स्टॅम्प मारतात ते वोटींग मारतात ते तेचेर कितें आसता बरयलेले ना बेश्टे वोट मारलो तेचेर कोणाचें नांव हें आहा पूण आमची आमकां सायन आसूंक जाय आनी सायन आसूंक जाय बाबा हांवें हो काय आतां म्हाज्या भुरग्यांक त्रास जातात आं माझी भुरगीं शिकतालीं तेन्ना ते म्हणटा म्हाजो तूं हांव रेडिओ घालता म्हाजो न्हू हांव रेडिओ घालता ते म्हाका म्हणटा तुजो रेडिओ बंद कर म्हाका कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करूंक जायना लिसोवाचेर म्हाका कॉन्सन्ट्रेट करूंक जायना आमच्या भुरग्यांक कोणाक
म्हाजें एकूच क्वेश्चन आहा काल आमी कॅन्डल लायट केले ओके आख्खे हितून गेले वेन्यूशीन गेले आमकां इन्स्पेक्टरान सांगले म्युजीक बंद आसतले ओके आमी येयले हांगासर पिसफुली गेले घरा गेले पोत्ते म्युजीक स्टार्ट जाले पोते म्युझिक स्टार्ट जाले आमी पोते हांगा आयले पोते जे आमी एकाक आयले ते अजून पासून उबे आहा सो आयज कितें एक्सपिरियन्स की आमी घरा गेले उपरांत म्युझिक वाचचे ना म्हणून कितें टेल मी बिकॉज खऱ्यांनी सांगता हांव डायबिटीक पेशंट अजून हांवें टॅबलेट घेवंक ना जेवंक ना अजून पासून सर आयक म्हाजें आयक जस्ट आय वॉन्ट टू टेल यू अजून पासून हांव उबो आहा हांगासर बीन स्लीप व्हाय
तू थंयच रयो तू घालता है
None of your moms understand. It is easy for you to stand.
It was a
We
big
are
joke.
being tortured. Please speak about childhood, please.
सर कितें आसा 2 दीस जाले सगळे जाणटे आसा सगळे आमी 2 दीस जाले आमी कितें तरी एक परमनंट सोल्युशन काडपाक जाय गव्हर्मेंटान जशें की सगळे ते जाणटे आहा ते जर सीक पडल्यार कोण रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी
So now you have told us that music won't be there. Now it is not there. If it starts today again, tell us what we have to do.
You don't have to do. I will look at this.
But yesterday we came saying nothing was done.
These are
Today we'll go,
you ask your
again
staff.
it will start.
I'm telling you.
It is happening this way, same way.
I give you illustration and standing here. If you don't believe in me, then
We are believing.
Nothing more I will do.
Sir, one more here. We want to tell one thing. आम्ही हांगासर कोणाचे बिझनेस बंद करूंक येवंक ना. सर बोले सर कोणाचे बिझनेस बंद करिना. We are not against on the business. Only thing that noise which makes problem for our health, for our children, which I have 2 daughters. The problem is they cannot get up in the morning. They cannot concentrate on the studies. The exams were going in July month. I've been calling 112 police station. Please, stop there. No one is listening. That's the reason we have to come with all our brothers from Anjuna over here. हे बरे दिसता सर.
सर एक काम करता आम्ही जे बिलीव करतात तुमकां आमी पण आयज रातचे ती आमकां सारखे न्हिदपाक दी आणि नाल्यार फकाणां जातली
बऱ्यांनी फकाणां
सर ह्याच गांवचो आणि सर तुझे आम्ही खरंच ऐकतले आणि तुम्ही इतलेच काम करता आयज पासून
Now there is Salute and Romeo Lane is still going on. It is still going on.
एक मनीस दी म्हाका सगळ्यांना एक मनीस दी अदरवायज तुम्ही कितें म्हणटाले आमी हें केलें तुजो एक मनीस दी आसा जाल्यार कोण हाडटलो ते स्टाफ व्हरतलो चल
आपण every day there is cars parked. We can't take our cars to the church and go to church. I walk to church. I have to go to church. I can't take it when I fall sick. I'm not getting my car. Because all the cars, extra. I have to walk to license. That's supposed to be a guest house. But there is possibility so please do something.